Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day so far. Today's tutorial is on this eye look. It is super simple, totally spring and summer appropriate. You can dress it up and probably even wear this to prom, to be honest. If you're someone who doesn't want to do a lot for prom, this is like a really good look. You can wear this out to lunch, you can wear it on a date, you can wear it to a wedding, you can dress it down and not do the lashes and liner and just do mascara and it would be so gorgeous. But yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep watching. But before you do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications for more tutorials and videos and whatnot like this. The first palette I'm digging up is this 88 color palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm using this pinky corally shade. This is going to be my transition color in my crease to help everything else blend out nicely. I have been loving this brush for my crease. It helps me keep my color right where I actually want it to be, and it stops me from blending it up too high. I'll leave it linked down below. It's a it's a Morphe brush, and it's kind of like a cross between a blending brush and a lid brush. I'm next going into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm picking up Summer Yum, which is a really kind of like a brick red brown color, and I am wiping that into my crease. This color is very pigmented, so I only picked up a little bit of it because I also wanted this look to be very light and daytime appropriate. And I'm just going back and forth from inner to outer corner. Next, I'm picking up that peach shade. I want to say it's Candied Peach. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm literally all I'm doing with the same brush is just going over everything that I've already blended just to make sure that Summer Yum didn't take away from any of the peachiness of that first shade. And I'm also wiping this shade onto my lower lash line as well, all the way from inner corner to outer corner. For my lid shade, I'm using just Peachy, and I'm only using my finger to apply that up into my crease, outer inner corner, just kind of the whole lid. And then with that same original brush, just to make sure I didn't do anything weird, I'm just like literally brushing one time in my crease. This is Laura Geller's Gilded Honey. It's a gorgeous highlight, but I am using it also as my mid-lid shade just to add a little bit of contrast. For a little bit of depth on my upper lash line, I'm using a combination of those two shades and wiping that onto my last half to outer third of my upper lash line, and I'm just kind of blending it out with my finger. I just think it provides a nice look, especially if you're not going to do any lashes or liner. You'll definitely be able to see that. On my lower lash line, I'm picking up Summer Yum, which is that really brick red color, and I'm pretty much pushing that right into my lash line. For my highlight, I'm just using Laura Geller's Gilded Honey. I've been loving this method where I kind of drag my highlight straight up in my inner corner as opposed to more on my lid. And then I'm also hitting my brow bone as well. This step right here is totally whatever you want to do. I'm choosing brown eyeliner just to add a little bit of depth and help my eyes pop a little more. Nude would be pretty. Black would be pretty if you're going out. You could even do like a gold or a peach to match the look, and it'd be super cute. I am now using Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara on my top and bottom lashes because you guys know the drill. These are from Salon Perfect. They look just like the wispies or demi wispies. Super gorgeous, but that completes the look. This is the finished look. The only thing I did off camera was go in and add a very thin line of black liner to the top of my lashes. That just helps to blend the lash. They don't look as fake. Well, they might look fake to some people, but they're not going to be super noticeable because you can't really see that band once the black is on top of it. It also helps if your glue doesn't want to dry, because I was waiting forever for the little white spots of glue to dry clear, so I just went over that. And now I'm ready to go do whatever I want to do. But this is the finished look. I thought this was super appropriate for spring, summer, those warmer weather months. You can dress this up or dress it down. You do not have to do the black liner or the lashes. You can just do mascara and call it a day. That's super daytime appropriate for school, work, lunch dates, whatever. You can dress this up with a wing. You can do like some gold glitter in there. That would be super pretty. But yeah, I just think this is a really pretty look. I wore it out a couple days ago. No one requested it. I just wanted to film it because I thought it was really pretty and really wearable and really easy. Like this whole video, it took me maybe half an hour to film, and keep in mind it normally takes me longer to do my makeup when I film because I'm just trying to make sure you guys can see anything and see everything and anything, all that good stuff. So I'm constantly like kind of re-blending just to make sure that it looks good for you guys. So it's very easy to do, very cute and springy, and if you love light, natural, kind of girly looking makeup, then this is totally for you. So I'm kind of rambling in this outro. Check out my description box to find out who won the last giveaway that I held on my channel for that angled liner brush. I don't have a new giveaway for this one. I'm going to take a break for like a week from giveaways and then jump back in. So yeah. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notifications button for more videos like this one. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.